going on, everybody? How we doing? It's been, oh gosh, 2.5, 3 years now since I put out the last video. I've been trading the entire time since, like I mentioned towards the end of the last session that I was doing here for YouTube and trading, how it was affecting my daily trading, and I really valued my actual trading more than YouTube if that was going to affect me more. So what I've done, I've refined, been working on my system a lot, and I've actually moved into a system definitely more aggressive trading, mainly Globex, getting payouts consistently, which has been awesome. I'll show you guys here in a second with Lucid. I have 5 accounts that I'm running, so a more aggressive system. And I was thinking that long term, it depends how effective that system would be in a real live trading environment. So I want to get back to a more true trading style, similar to what I was doing before, trading in the mornings and the open again. So I decided, well, if I'm going to start doing that again, what better way? Why don't I record it? I can use it to review, similar to what I did before. And it was awesome, yeah, posting it out, seeing responses from everyone. It was really cool, just the community, everyone, and just the whole trading in itself, going back and forth, sharing new ideas. So I'm gonna do that again. I'm gonna start recording here every day, posting it live on YouTube, and yeah, I'm gonna start a take profit trader account, and we're gonna do that nice, slow, and steady. 5 days until you can get funded. So eval, not gonna try and get too crazy or anything. And we're gonna go from there. In the mornings, I'm still gonna keep trading my Globex. I'll share with you guys, along the way, how I'm doing in that. But the main focus is gonna be getting back to basics and trading in the mornings again. So it's cool that a lot of you I see still are subscribed, and you're gonna get this notification, hopefully, that a new video is up. And yeah, we're gonna go on this journey again together, see what happens. I think I've improved a little bit since last time. Like I said, I've been trading the entire time since. I'll show you guys here, for example, with Lucid. I have what I've been trading in Globex. I have my 5 Lucid Flex 50K accounts funded, active in those, profit about 3,700, 3 days. So about a couple more days, and I'll be able to pull out, max payout of 2K. So that's 10K across 5 accounts here. So that's been awesome. But I want to get back to that true style as well. Instead of replacing that, I am going to add to it with the morning sessions, and go through that. So yeah, you're gonna see here, we're gonna be trading the Take Profit Trader account. First day back on that. Super excited to be back, and then we're gonna start here again this Monday coming up. So super stoked, and yeah, let's see what happens. Also, I will say, working on something pretty cool in the background that I will share with you guys. Probably gonna be a couple weeks until I do share that. But yeah, excited to be back, and let's get to it. So looking at this now, I like that we got bought up here off this 15-minute level. We do have the 9. I feel like we want to look for a new high of day, pushing towards close. 5-minute candle about to close here. I wouldn't mind if we get a little dip here. 5-minute candle open in 2 seconds. If we can get a drop into that level. Let's see if I can get filled here. Okay, so we are long. Let's see if we can't hold this. $30-minute. Around the same spot here. We have the hourly. See if this 15-minute can't hold the 9. We do have, oh, I'm on the wrong chart here. We do have kind of a flag pennant type pattern here. It's not copying this chart. See if we can't hold that there. I'm gonna move this just a little bit. We break the low of that under the 20 here. I really just want to see this hold and look for that push into the end of day, new highs. It is breaking lower here. Looks like we're gonna be coming up to the 20 on the 15. Like we were looking at before, we do have this type of trend line right here. So see if it can hold that. Yeah, we had all this consolidation high. We do have a lower high here, making higher lows. Hoping to get this curl higher. If we do break below this, then I think we may end up getting that move lower down, which I don't want to be a part of. And it's really about, you know, trading more aggressive in my other accounts, Globex. So this is trying to find the balance between how many contracts, risk per trade that I want to do. So we'll have to see here. Get rid of that on the 15-minute chart. We zoom in here, go to a 1 minute. Let's take a look. It is downtrending that 9 on the 1 minute here. We did make that new low. Swept that level. Close within. Let's see if we can't continue to hold that. Take a look at the 30-minute here. We have another minute or so until this 5-minute candle closes. I'd like to see if we can close above this high of the previous candle here. We turn that off. If we do close within, I'm going to add 2 more right here. We got 20 seconds left on that candle. Nice, got some buyers stepping up here. See if it gets tagged here. Either tags me in, adds some more contracts to it, or we can go higher from here with my 5 contracts. Want to see this 30-minute go green and start pushing towards these wicks here. Retest this top of the trend line. Okay, we're tagged in there. We're gonna update this to 7, 393.75. Put our stop there under 400. Risking 227. Really, with this account, the target for the take profit trader is 3,000 total. So if I can get to call what 600 roughly per day over 5 days, that would be good. We're gonna take this a little slower. I'll put my take profit here just over the highs. Realistically though, if we start breaking up here, I think we can make a run. I'll keep that in mind. If we do break above that, my stop, probably put a trailing stop right around here. You know, we'll take that when we get there. Let's see, we're still near my entry, so let's see if we can't get that move back up. High a day, we're looking at 665. We can't get a push towards 78 or so up there. Let's see what happens. We're in a good spot here. I like that we held this level, pushing up back into the 9 here, trying to go green on that 30-minute. 15-minute holding. I would like to see same type of idea. If we can get a close above the low of this candle from 315 over the 9, one more open dip into the high of this candle and the 9, and then look for that continuation move higher. Coming up on that 350 time frame as well, when you start getting usually a sharp move and auto correcting from the algo. As long as we can get this close around where it's at right now, that would be look good for the move. Yeah, no reason to short this. We're obviously in an uptrend here. I mean, the market's been just incredible. I mean, look at this chart that we've been in, the daily. Not really looking for shorts, looking to get with the trend and just take that continuation move. So hopefully we do get that here into the end of the day. See if they can close this week up higher. About 1 minute left here, still hanging out in the same area. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. Any close around here is decent. Obviously, I'd like to see it within, like I said, this candle over the 9, at least over this level here, about 12.5. How do we put that here? High, that's, yeah, 12.5 there. So a close over that, I do like for continuation. Nice little push higher here as we get to the last 15 seconds that candle close. Really about time and price, lining up price with the time here. Let's see where we get that close. Okay, so close under. We're dipping back into that 9, that level 12.5. I want to see it get bought up here. Okay, I totally just butchered that and added 7 more instead of 1 more. So we currently have 14. That's incredible. I moved that, but I didn't move that one. Well, we're gonna watch this closely. I'm okay. We're still in the eval. We're first day. If we're risking a little bit more, not ideal. But yeah, we don't need that big of a move now. Realistically, a move back into there is nice. Yeah, not ideal. I guess. I guess I could have shaved some off there. That's fine. A little bit more aggressive here. Day one, unintentionally bought. I have to remember that that does not translate over. Trying to hold that here. Yeah, I don't want to see this make a new low. Realistically, 458, 500. I'll risk 500 on this. Just looking at these open and close here, candle low. Couple closes over the high, over the low, I mean, of this candle here. So let's see if we can't hold that low of this candle. Start getting under there. We do get that wick, a little bit liquidity run underneath towards 400. Hopefully it does get bought up and hold, and they do hold it there. You know, I'm still gonna put just in there, and then I'll watch that level there where I'm up about 600 where I'm good. 1733. Realistically, it's 50%, so I wouldn't want to make more. If we do push up here, you know, I don't want to get too ahead of myself. I'll leave it there just in case coming up to 350 we do get that spike higher. I'll then move this stop up to about this 440 level. I do like that we're still holding this going into the 350 algo. And also realizing that I only have 14 contracts set here at 69.5. So we are gonna have to remember that with the changing, yeah, like this is sitting on 5. I wonder if there's a way to keep that unified. Starting to get that push up here. We have 1 minute left until a 350 algo. Hopefully we don't get to sweep the lows and send it higher. Hoping to see that push higher up in a new high of day here. Day one on the Take Profit Trader account. I do have my 5 other Lucids I'm trading, so it's all right. We got a little bit extra size here. We may end up at this 350 algo getting sweeped. Let's see if we can't open and push higher here. We got about 5 seconds coming up on this candle, new 5 minute. Let's see if we can't get a strong move higher here. A little bit of a push. See if we can't get some continuation. Nice curl support. See if they might try send it red here. See if they just trap everyone that bought in here, including myself, and then send it lower. We'll see. But I like the setup. I like the entry. Not the size though. That's okay. Only because it's day one, I'll let it play out on that, the double size by accident. Well, we did get that initial push, pushing back down here, see if they can hold it or if they will send it lower. Sitting on that level, you know, typically I'm going to be looking to trade at the open. You know, I've been really doing Globex at 6 o'clock open for my other accounts. We are trying this here. I want to get this up today. It is later in the afternoon, obviously right before close here. Let's see, they did hold that again. Let's see if we can't get some type of move up here. Definitely fighting it. Feels like they want to swipe this level, potentially touch 400 again. Everyone that bought here. Let's see what they end up doing. What do we push up there? 32.5, 459. Yeah, obviously the profit target, you know, 600 over 5 days, my 3K. Doesn't have to be perfect, you know. Starting to push back up here again. About a little over a minute until next 5-minute candle opens. Let's see if we can't make a run on the highs. Yeah, it's like I still see no reason to be short in this. It's either no trade hold for this type of consolidation or the long that I'm in. Really there's no other trade there. Pushing back up here, we do have that breakdown below this candle here, 441. These wicks here, 444. So want to watch it there, open and close, 442. So definitely this area to watch. If we break above that, I'll probably move stop up. If we take it, that's it. And if we break higher, we do have our take profit already set. Want to really see this next 5-minute candle open and push higher. There we go, pushing into that 440 level. Let's see if we can't open 5 and push highs right here. Here we go, new 5-minute candle. I'm gonna move my take profit up under the low of that candle, see if we can't get that push. If we do end up going red and breaking lower, it will stop me out and we'll be done. All right, so looks like it took me out there, 5-minute low. I was watching, like I said, this 442 level. It may very well hold this and go higher, but that's okay. I'm gonna take that. We're coming into the close here, 355. You know, who knows what type of whipsaw and stuff we might get. So yeah, first day back. Not bad, up 529 on the take profit account. So let's see if we can't get funded on this one, go slow and steady and just stick to the basics. We'll see you guys on Monday. Awesome to be back. Have a good weekend, everyone. See ya.